Click on your video and make a copy of it, drag it to the top of the timeline, and then at the top, click on Background Remover. Enlarge the copied image or copied video. And then once you resized it, go to transparency and adjust it to the level that you're comfortable with. So if I go back to beginning, this is what it looks like. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.